You decide to copy a millionaire's online income strategy for 7 days. Strict, experimental, hungry. Day 1, you map their funnel. Eyes scanning landing pages, emails, ad angles. Day 2, you mirror headlines, tone, and offer cadence. Your fingers hover over launch buttons. Day 3, you split test creative, bright thumbnails, punchy hooks, listening to data like a pulse. Day 4, you optimize pricing and urgency, tasting the electric thrill of micro wins.
Day 5, you automate messages, feel relief as systems hum. Day 6, you face failure, an ad tanks, and you pivot, calm, methodical.
Day 7, revenue trickles, then spikes. You count conversions, not vanity metrics. Takeaways: systems beat inspiration. Test ruthlessly. Protect margin. Track metrics hourly.
Emotion, the blend of dread and exhilaration, the quiet joy of a process that finally aligns. Final thought: copying isn't cheating, it's a learning scaffold. Adapt, iterate, and make the strategy yours.